We begin by assembling the base. The base consists of all of these parts, including one large O-ring and the first two of the numbered washers. Take the two stand pieces with the spacer, press the spacer into the slots on both sides until it's put together. Take the washer number 1 and slip that over the arm until it's resting on the bottom. Take washer number 2 and do likewise. Next, take the O-ring and slip it down over the arms to lock in the washer. Be careful not to let it fall in the first slot here. If it does, you can pry it out with a screwdriver. And push the O-ring all the way down until it nests and locks the washer on.